What's up YouTube, AVI back with another video, and today we are bringing you my brand new car that we got for the channel. Hope you guys are excited. As you guys might have saw, we sold the Bronco and we sold the Lightning, but now we got a new car coming for you. I hope you guys are really excited, and I'm about to show you guys right now. Let's get to it. And here she is. If you guys really know me, you know me that I wanted an 04 Lightning in red, and this is it. There's all original inside. Obviously I have the rims coming. These are not original. I have these coming. We're going to remove the supercharged logo right there. And what do you guys think of the bed cover? Should I keep the bed cover? Should I not keep the bed cover? Let me guys know. I'm kind of impartial to it. I don't really know. We'll do a quick walk around. I'm really excited. I know you guys were sad when the Lightning was sold, but I had to get a new Lightning. Side exhaust, and the interior is just so much nicer than the 99 I had. It's locked. Show you guys on this side. It's just pristine interior here. Steering wheel, gauges, everything. It's just amazing. So we're really excited. This is going to be the new car for the channel. We'll do a nice cold start. We'll do all that. We'll do rims. We'll show you guys. We have a few things taken off the bed cover, cleaning it, best products to use on that. So stay tuned. If you guys are excited, please subscribe. This is just a quick intro video. We got lots of cool things coming for the truck, but just like that, AVI out.